11 pieces.
I'll take 10. You can have one. Hey, what's up, y'all? All right, so today, William brought lunch over from Le Costco. We have a giant Caesar salad and garlic chicone. Drummies. Bum, bum, bum. All right, I've never had either from Le Costco. So, we got our palm. Man, you know what I like? I like salads that are finely chopped because they're all the pieces are bite size. You know, this one you gotta open your mouth all big. Whatever. Oh, it's too many croutons. How'd it go? Oh, we need some black pepper. We're good.
Oh, gonna need hot sauce for sure.
For the chicone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on. We got our glovies. Look at that leg. Let's try it.
11 pieces. $10. It's a dollar a piece, basically.
That's a good deal, right?
$3.49 a pound. Cooked.
It's a little bit dry.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
It's good, like it's like moist and tender, but then also a little bit dry. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so how many pieces will William eat, and how many pieces will I eat? I'll take 10. You can have one.
There's 11. You might eat 8.
I just ate 3 eggs.
Okay, 7.
And a piece of toast.
When?
Right before this, I was doing my egg video.
What?
Well, I was making them and I had to eat them. You know?
The frozen egg?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even gonna ask how they turned out because I'm gonna watch the video. You guys watch the video too.
The only thing I don't like about not fried chicken is the skin.
What? I'm that part. Go ahead.
On here? This one?
Go ahead. Dude, that's the best. The skin has all the flavor.
It's like soggy.
But it's got all the flavor. That hits a spot.
The salad?
I mean, I was craving. You know what did it though? It's that black pepper.
I know.
Freshly ground black pepper at that.
Mm-hmm.
You got one, a little bit more than one sauce left, and one packet of croutons left. That's another meal. Just throw some rotisserie chickens on that.
Camille loves Caesar salad, so I was buying it, but she never eats it at home. She says she doesn't like it at home.
Huh?
She likes it from the restaurant only.
Maybe it's the dressings, or maybe it's not enough. Oh, no, it's like basic. Right?
Same to me.
Why does this side have like the sauce? Come here, garlics.
Have you ever had the original Caesar salad in Tijuana, Mexico? I have.
From Caesar himself?
Caesar didn't make it.
What?
Some brothers did. Some Italian brothers made it in Tijuana, Mexico.
I thought it was a Mexican Caesar. Mexican dude named Caesar.
I don't know their names. But I've had it and I did not like it.
Why? Why?
Mm. They make a table side for you also. But I was not a fan.
So who else makes Caesar salad? Who makes Caesar salad that you like?
Most places. Look, most places, not all places. I've had $45 table side Caesar salads, and I was like, would never order this again.
Why is it $45?
Because table side, you know.
No.
So it's table side at a steakhouse, so it'd be all fancy or whatever. And the Caesar salad was not. It was not good.
It's just Caesar salad. It's not like it's. Did it come with anything extra?
Love,
Huh?
love. An annoyance for having to do a table side Caesar salad.
Hot sauce.
We got Texas Pete's and then we have Sriracha.
It's good with Mr. Texas.
Look at this leg. Excuse.
I'm just gonna say, I like GMO chicken.
Excuse. I know you do.
Yeah. I'm a fan of genetically modified or just modified and enhanced people in general.
Wow. So weird.
Mm-hmm.
A little sriracha. Let me try the Tejas. This is from Derriere. Hi, Derriere, if you're watching. He's back in Texas. We miss him. Annoying the hell out of me every single day at work. So we're going to try the hot sauce with the chicken. For you, Derriere. It just tastes like a vinegary hot sauce, right?
I mean, isn't that what Frank's and
Tabasco
and all
and
that is?
Frank's, yeah. Tastes like that. But sriracha has a very distinct flavor.
Hoi Fong sriracha. Above all sriracha.
This kind. Not the fake srirachas. That's the OG real deal. You know? Other srirachas definitely taste different.
the Araracha. But how the chicken? Not bad or what?
Not bad. That first one I ate had that little bit of dryness.
Oh.
The second one,
You know what?
No
Maybe
dryness.
because it was on the end. I don't know what that has to do with anything, but
excuse me. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye.